Okay, go ahead. First you want to start, you lie down, and you line up your thumb to the center of your chest. So you lie down nice and comfortable, take your thumb, put it to the center of your chest. You want to have your arms at a 90-degree angle. So you want to bring them out a little more, right there. 90 degrees, thumb is lined up with the center of the chest. Lift your feet up, beautiful. Keep your abs nice and tight. Neck straight, look down, shoulders downward, go ahead, push up, beautiful. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Look at her abs, they're nice and tight. They're not moving around back and forth. Her butt, it's not sticking out. You'll see a lot of people in the gym sticking out their butt. No good. You want it nice and tight and lined up. Look at her shoulders, her lower back, her knees, everything's lined up. It's like one plane here. Her shoulders aren't moving back and forth either. They're solid, they're downward.